Hi, I'm Maggie, your LUNA Astrology Ambassador, and I'm here to show you how to use Luna in app mode so it feels just like a regular mobile app. I want to start by mentioning that Luna will absolutely work in your regular browser window, no problem, but it is a much more seamless experience when used like an app. Rather than downloading an app from your app store like you're accustomed to, follow these simple steps to set Luna up in app mode on your device. Start by going to the Luna website on your preferred mobile browser, www.lunaastrology.com. Once you're on the homepage, no need to log in yet. Just go ahead and tap the share icon on your phone. I'm using an Android with Google in this demo, but you can absolutely do this on any mobile device, Android or Apple. Check our iPhone-specific tutorial for iPhones and iPads. What you're looking for is the option to add to home screen. Depending on your device and browser, you might need to scroll a little bit or explore to find it, but once you do, it should be pretty straightforward. Go ahead and tap Add to Home Screen. You might see a quick confirmation. No need to change anything here. Just hit Add and you're done. Now, when you go back to your home screen, you'll see the Luna icon right there alongside your other apps. You can move it around, tuck it into a folder, whatever works best for you. Tap the Luna icon to launch it, and you will see the login screen. Personally, I like to check the Remember Me box so I don't have to log in every time. But if you share your device with someone, just be mindful of whether that works for you. Once you log in, you'll notice Luna opens in full screen mode with no browser bar. That's app mode in action. It looks and feels like a native app and even shows up in its own window when you check your open apps. You can swipe it away, you can reopen it anytime. It'll remember right where you left off. Luna works in app mode on any iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or tablet. It's a super smooth experience, and I hope you enjoy using it as much as I do. Be sure to subscribe and follow along for more Luna videos.